Hello everyone, my name is Confident and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to style or theme your applications on Appsmith. And this is very important if you have a brand image and you'd want your applications built on Appsmith to better suit your brand colors and brand image. Or you might also want this if you like your applications to look really nice. So this video is for you. To show you how to style your applications on Appsmith, I'm going to show you how to style a couple of widgets, and then you can take those lessons learned from styling those widgets to apply to building other widgets and styling them as well. So for us to get started, I would need to head over to the widget section, and the first widget I'd like to show you how to style is the container widget. So I'm just going to bring a container widget into the canvas, and there we have a container widget. To style the container widget, we can go on to set various properties to make it look nice, but the first property I'd like to configure here is the border color. And this will set the color for the border around the container widget. Right now, we do not see any border around the container widget because we haven't specified the border width. So to do that, I'm just going to set a border width of 1, and there we have the blue border showing up. Similarly, we can set a border radius, and I'm just going to set this to 10. And here, you see that we have a rounded border around the container widget. And we can also give this some box shadow to make it have a card feel. So taking a look at this container widget, it looks more like a card, and this looks really nice. We can also go on to style a couple of other widgets. The second widget I'd like to show you how to style is the button widget. So I'm just going to bring a button widget inside of the container widget, and now we can go on to style this. So for the button variant, I'm going to set this to secondary button, and this has a light background with a green text and green border around it. We can also go on to set the border radius for the button. So I'm just going to give it rounded borders and also similarly give it some box shadow. And taking a look at this, you can see that we have a nice button sitting in a nicely styled container widget. And there are a couple of more widgets we can also style similarly, but the last one I'd like to show you for this video is the icon button widget. So I'm just going to bring this right here. And we can similarly style this by giving it some color. So I'm just going to give it a yellow color, set the variant to secondary, and give this some box shadow. And taking a look at this, you see that we have nice looking widgets on the canvas. So you can go on to apply these principles learned in installing this widget to all the other widgets we have on Appsmith, and then you would end up with really beautiful applications for your users. To show you some of these examples of apps built on Appsmith that have been styled, I'd like to show you a kanban board that is built on Appsmith and styled using the principles we learned earlier. And this is the kanban board. You would agree with me that this looks really beautiful. This is not an image, it's a real application. And to prove to you that this is a real application, I'll be leaving a link to this application in the description so that you can go check it out. I hope this inspires you to build really nice applications on Appsmith. I also like to show you a styled dashboard that has also been built on Appsmith. So this looks really nice, and this was built using widgets we have on Appsmith, following the styling principles that I showed you earlier. And this similarly looks really nice. So heading back to the editor, we've been able to see how to style widgets on Appsmith to match the theme that you like or to match the brand color or brand image of your already existing brand. I hope this gives you an idea of how to style your apps on Appsmith, and I hope the examples we took a look at earlier also gives you inspiration to build beautiful applications on Appsmith. That's it for this video. Till I see you next time, take care of yourself and have a nice day.